As part of the Arts of Celebration Experiences 2024, Sask Arts is proud to honor the following aspiring youth artists. This category is sponsored by Sask Arts. The quotes included here were provided by the artists, either as words they find inspiring, that show how they approach their art, or reflect what others have said about them and their work. Mary Liv, musician. Find out who you are and do it on purpose. Dolly Parton. Lachlan Neville, rural songwriter. The highway is for gamblers. Better use your sense. Take what you've gathered from coincidence. Bob Dylan. Paulina Salisbury, singer, actor, dancer, and musician. Music expresses that which cannot be said and on which it is impossible to be silent. Victor Hugo. Brooke Zarubin, vocalist. The theater is the greatest of all art forms, the most immediate way in which a human being can share with another the sense of what it is to be a human being. Oscar Wilde.